Okay, Greg,
Yes.
I'm gonna hit you with another question.
All right, hit me.
How to lose that belly fat? How hard is it? You know, is it the first thing that goes, the last thing that goes? What do? We all hate the little stomach and the rolls, and how can we get rid of that?
Right. Okay. Yeah. This is a very common question, and like for a while, people thought like, if I do crunches, if I work this area right here where I have all this stubborn fat, then I'll lose weight there. And like we know this very well. That's not the case. You can't spot reduce. We've known this for a long time. But still, people have like that trouble spot where they store fat there, and they want to know how to get rid of it. And really, there's no magic answer. You just have to lean down. You just have to slim down. You just have to, nail your nutrition, so you're eating a calorie deficit to lose weight, and then you will lose weight there, but it might not happen first. A lot of people that have that spot, they're like, self-conscious about, or maybe it's the thighs or the belly, that's like the last place to go. And so I see this a lot of times with people that ask these questions that, like, oh, I can't seem to lose weight off my belly. I'm like, dude, or girl, you'll slim down on the other areas first. You'll slim down on your arms first, your face first, your chest first, your legs first, and then that final spot you want will start to come in. But when it comes in, it comes in fast. Because if you lost all the weight here and all the weight on your legs, and then like the only place you have to lose fat is right here, so you're gonna see results really quickly. But an important caveat to make is you want to make sure that you're strength training, which guys are big on, but a lot of girls they don't do the strength training, because what happens is if you're losing 20 pounds, if it's going to take 20 pounds of fat loss to have the stomach that you want, well, you want to make sure that you lose 20 pounds of fat. You don't want to lose 10 pounds of fat, 10 pounds of muscle, because then you're dieting and you're putting in all this work to lose 20 pounds and only half of them count. And then that 10 pounds of muscle you lost is going to slow your metabolism down, and so you're going to have to go more extreme to lose the weight you want. So if you strength train, what happens is you'll actually maintain your lean body mass, so that every ounce you lose is body fat, which is really important. People think cardio is the way to get lean. Do lots of cardio. It's like, no, it's strength training, because cardio is not going to preserve your muscle tissue. You can do all the cardio in the world and diet hard, you'll still lose muscle if you're not strength training, because cardio doesn't teach your body to maintain muscle. Strength training does. So if you're eating to lean down, which is taking less calories than your body burns, getting enough protein to support your muscle mass, then what will happen, and strength training, what will happen is you'll be able to lose that fat that you really want. It won't happen overnight. It will take time. But if you want to lose the belly, training your abs won't really do it. It's just getting leaner and making sure that you maintain muscle.
There you go, ladies.
Does that answer your question?
I think that answers.
There's no magical answer.
So not as much cardio as we thought. That's